Imagine a retail company that wants to grow, open new stores, improve customer experience, and go digital. What they should be doing. So the leaders gather and ask a simple but powerful question: what are we truly capable of doing as a business? So this is where the business capability catalog begins. Business capability catalog is a list of capabilities what business already possess and wants to create to achieve its targets. So there are three levels where we can get into and find out the capabilities. Level one would be discovering what the business can do to understand the core business capabilities at a high level. And level two would be drill down a level deeper where we will understand the business outcomes. And level three, which is deep dive again, and then this will be helpful for transformation and planning. In level one, while we discover what the business can do and to identify core business capabilities, here company, before talking about systems, people or processes, they need to understand the abilities, not how things are done, not who does them, but what the business must be able to do consistently and reliably. For example, if you see here, we have identified some core capabilities like customer management, product management, order management, supply chain management, and finance management. These are all the core capabilities at a high level which a business should have. These become the building blocks of the business and called level one capabilities. Level two, if we go one level down, we'll identify the business outcomes of each of the level one capabilities. For example, if we take the customer management, we identify customer data management, how to manage the data, and customer engagement, engaging the customers and supporting the customers through online or through phone, etc. So in the same way, if we go into product management, we again have product strategy, development, lifecycle management, and pricing management. All this will come into the level one product management's children. So level two are one level deep down of the level one. Level three is a level more deeper than level two, where it will be helpful for transformation and planning purposes, how to create the capabilities. So for example, if you seek under customer data management, we have one more level down, that is profile management of the customer and the consent and preferences management of the customer, and how the householding and segmentation related to customer. So all this will form the level 3 capabilities. Now these are detailed enough to assess which capabilities are strong, which are weak, which need investment. So this is what we already have these capabilities. If we have already have these capabilities, we can identify which are weaker and which are strong, and which we need to invest to make them more strong. So after identifying the level 1, 2 and 3, and we document them into one place, which is called business capability catalog. If you can see in this diagram, the customer management, where we have data management, engagement, rewards, support and service, all are the level 2 capabilities. And inside level 2 capabilities, we again have profile, IAM, identity access management, consent and preference, data quality. So all these will form level 3. So these in a hierarchical structure, if you put it in a document, then it is called as the business capability catalog. This document will serve us as a single source of truth, and it shows what are the strengths, gaps and overlaps. If there are any gaps, then we have to fulfill those gaps. I have made a video on gap analysis. Please check my channel. And this becomes the bridge between business strategy and technology. If a leader says we want better customer experience, then architect respond, these are the customer capabilities that must be improved. So this is how this catalog will be helpful. So to define what is a business capability catalog, it is a listing of particular abilities that a business may already have or want to create to achieve a specific purpose. In other words, we can say it as a business capability catalog doesn't describe how the business work today. It describes what the business must always be capable of doing to succeed. So there are perspectives of it. And why it is important to create a business capability catalog, because it creates a common business language which makes communication easy with all the stakeholders, and it helps in aligning strategy to execution, becomes a map to verify the progress. We'll see the map and we'll see where we are. It supports capability and gap analysis as well, where we can identify the capabilities that are already existing and that are not existing, and then can focus on creating not existing capabilities. Thus, it enables investment and roadmap decisions in a clear manner. So, decision making will become easy. We have seen how to document it in a tree hierarchy, but if you want to document it as a table where we can see it very easily, then this document will contain capability name, description, and which level it belongs to, who is the business owner of it, and what is the value stream it is related to. So if you see the example of customer, the customer management is level 1, and its description, what it does and who is the business owner, and its value stream will be customer. And then loyalty programs, which is again a level 1, and sales level 1. So this is how, with having this capability name, description, level, business owner, and the value stream is optional, you can have it here, but if you want, then it will be another column here. So this is how it can be created and it can be used for the business decisions.